In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see if a Facebook page is running Facebook ads. Let's dive in and explore these steps together. To start, open your internet browser of choice and head over to Google. Here your first task is to search for the Meta Ad Library. This powerful tool provided directly by Facebook allows you to see various ads that brands, businesses, and political entities are running across the platform. Once you're on the Meta Ad Library page, you'll notice a search bar. This search function is where our exploration truly begins. Here you need to search for the specific Facebook page or business name you're interested in. This could be a competitor's business or any other page you're curious about. Type the name into the search bar and hit enter. Keep in mind, a precise search term will yield better results, helping you quickly locate the page you're interested in. We're not done with our filters just yet. Look for the location drop-down menu and set this to all. This ensures you're getting a global perspective, particularly useful if the business operates in multiple countries or regions. Next, direct your attention to the advertisement category drop-down. Here, select all ads. This step is essential because it broadens your search to encompass all active ads, not just those limited to specific categories. This way you'll get a comprehensive view of the ads associated with the page you're interested in. After setting these parameters, proceed to input the exact business name or Facebook page name you want to investigate. This focused search will bring up all pertinent results related to your query. Once you locate the desired page or business, it's time to click on See Ad Details. This action grants you insights into the ad, including its creatives, messaging, and timing, providing valuable competitive analysis. From here, go on to click the Go to Page button. By doing so, you are directed to the Facebook page you have been investigating. When you're on the page, look towards the section labeled About. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're there, find and select Page Transparency. This section offers critical insights into the page's history, its managers, and more importantly, whether it's running ads. If the page is indeed running ads, you will see a prompt stating, "This page is currently running ads." For a complete overview, click See All. From here, you may also head to the ad library by selecting the appropriate link. Here you will access all active ads being managed by the page across both Facebook and Instagram. By following these steps, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the advertising strategies employed by the Facebook page. This not only aids in market analysis, but also helps refine your own advertising approach. Happy exploring, and may these insights power your future marketing endeavors.